Hey guys, I'm gonna show y'all something here. The big green bowl. Information for it. Everything's running smooth. Our water clarity is not the best right now, but we're gonna see how the green bowl works. So, got it done clean up yet. We just have our old piece of crap yellow whacker. I can't make fun of it too much because she's very reliable. We have our 6-inch going to the top of it, overflowing a little bit, because this is more of a test for us. So if it works out good, we might redo some things. But right now, we gotta prove that this thing works as a life insurance policy. Tapped right into the sluice box, to a 4-inch pipe that's in there. I made some diverters, so we're getting most of the material into it. 70% of it, I would say, 30% water. I'll show you our water clarity of my hose here, of my trommel. Let it spit out. So you can tell it's not the best, but I tell you what, it's not sticking to shit, so it's not too shabby. Show you the tons we're running right now. Granted, this is in tons right now. So right now we have 483 or 60 tons an hour. So that's what we're putting into it. Taking quite a bit. We'll see what it does. I'll give an update here in just a little bit, and we'll see if we make a good video on this. Thanks, Big Green Bowl. The Gyro Gold. Badass so far. Let's hope it produces.